Thousands of spam AI channels are about to lose monetization. And if you're cutting corners with AI, you could be next. AI has made it easier than ever to brainstorm, write scripts, generate thumbnails, and even edit your videos. And while this is great for creators, it's also made it way too easy to flood YouTube with spammy, low-effort videos that all feel the same, which is not the kind of content YouTube wants to promote. And it's not the kind of content that anybody wants to watch. So YouTube just updated their monetization policy language to better identify mass-produced spam content. They also renamed their old repetitive content policy to inauthentic content. Basically, YouTube wants creators making original and authentic content that actually satisfies viewers, not just churning out videos to chase views. And although the internet is going crazy over this is not a new rule. YouTube has always banned spammy, low-effort content from monetization. They're just being clearer about what that means, especially as AI made it so much worse. There are so many YouTube channels right now flooding the platform with videos created using nothing but AI. But since so many creators use AI to make videos, what's actually safe and what's not? Well, if you're putting real effort into your videos and even using AI to help, you are completely fine. This update mainly targets those automated channels pumping out hundreds of copy-paste videos with little human effort. YouTube describes this as inauthentic videos, and it violates this guideline. But to be very clear, here are the exact examples from YouTube's official policy. You won't be able to monetize content that exclusively features readings of other materials you did not originally create, like text from websites or news feeds. Songs modified to change the pitch or speed, but are otherwise identical to the original song. Similar repetitive content with low education value, commentary, narratives, or minimal variation across videos. Mass-produced content using a similar template across multiple videos. Image slideshows or scrolling text with minimal or no narrative, commentary, or educational value. These are the kinds of low-effort, mass-produced AI videos that YouTube is trying to clean up, and honestly makes YouTube way more enjoyable without them. But what sort of content can you still monetize? If your videos follow a similar format, but each one brings something new, informative, or entertaining, then you're good. You can still use the same intro and outro across your videos. You can still talk about similar topics, but offer new takes in each one, and compilations or clips featuring similar items with you explaining their connection is totally fine. This means that only AI-assisted videos where you guide the direction, add personality, and bring value are safe from this monetization update. This also doesn't affect reused content that adds commentary or educational value. That is still safe under existing guidelines. So basically, if your channel has substance and your videos aren't just repeating the same format or script over and over, then you have nothing to worry about, even if you're using AI to assist you in the creation. So for most of you, there's absolutely nothing to panic about or to worry about. Now, you've made it to the end of this video, so do me a quick favor and smash the subscribe button. If you liked it, go ahead and hit like and check out my other videos.